If you're saying to yourself right now, wait, why are you at Mother Tucker's? I thought you moved. I did move, but the way the highways connect is a super weird thing. It actually didn't take me that much longer to get here. It was only like 5 minutes extra. Anyway, today I'm back in Adamstown, and the goal is to cram in as many places as possible, be as frugal as possible, only pick up the uber unique or Valentine's Day, and I'm starting it off here. I'm gonna go until I run out of time or money or both. So let's see what they got. Hopefully we find what I'm looking for today. Okay, but those deer salt and pepper shakers are so stinking cute. They're $28.20, so that's about what I'd get for them after fees, maybe a little bit less. I'm gonna pass because, like I said, I'm trying to be super frugal. I also see the little Lefton Valentine's Day Girl vase. Those don't sell that well for me. 18 and 20% is about what I sell those for too. Let's see, I see a lot of stuff, but like I said, I'm being incredibly picky today, even more so than usual. This Christmas case though, that's a really cute set. And of course, I love the Napco candy cane boy with the caroler. And the owls, oh my gosh, they're so fun. But again, just about what I'd sell them for too. Oh my gosh, so many cute things. Love those guys. And I really like this little happy dancing Santa Claus. What is happening here? That is so stinking cute. $3.50. Totally fair. I feel like I should get this. I'm not really sure what you do with it. But again, I think I'm gonna keep going. I think you're underestimating how frugal I'm gonna be today. Of course, I say that now. In like 20 minutes, I'm gonna have a basket full of random stuff that I didn't come here for. I love that. I have one of those hanging above my desk in my office. Oh, look at this giant stuffed dog. How cute. Oh my gosh, I love his eyelashes. $20. Oh, that's tempting. But I'm gonna pass. Let it go. So this booth is 40% off, over 10. So there was a bunch of things I was interested in here last time. Oh my gosh, this lamp. So we're gonna take a second look. Let's see. It's gotta be over 10. That's a really good selling set, but it's got an insane amount of paint loss. And of course, this guy I still love, but $10, it has to be over 10 to get the discount. Now, if you're wondering why I'm being so frugal, it's because the more frugal I am, the more places I can go. And not only that, but the more chances I have of going out of town for a few days next week and going to some new places. Oh, that's really pretty. I bought something like that the other day. Actually, it was like a couple weeks ago at this point. Now, the fuzzy ceramic Norcross Christmas girls are $24 each and 40% off. I might do the math on that actually. $14.40 each is an insanely fair price, but I just don't want to front that, especially since this is my first stop of the day. I know it's painful to watch, but I could usually sell those for about $34 each probably, but still, I'm just being super choosy. I'm really looking for that stuff I haven't seen before Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, look at these poodles. That is too stinking cute. Oh. $13.20. I might have to get that just because it's too cute not to. And then this one's pretty adorable too. $13. The real fur ones like this with the leather like that usually sell pretty well, but I've had it a few times and I'm more into the fun fun colors, although this one is pretty cute too. Oh my gosh. I know I kind of knock on dream pets usually, but I do find that the poodles are better selling than a lot of the others. Now this horse is really interesting. How much is this? Does that say $6? Oh my gosh. Well, that is definitely super unique. And it's that vinyl that I like so much. $6 and 20% off. I'm not gonna argue with that. I really can't believe that. Yeah, that does say $6. All right, well, I'm gonna grab this, especially because it's lightweight and easy to ship. What is this fantastic thing? How goofy. Let's see. What does that say? 22? I can't really read that, honestly. Let me get it better. Ah, I'm making a mess. 22, yeah. That is pretty spectacular. Let me put my camera down and kind of regroup. Okay, but I'm also now just seeing this thing. How fantastic. It's got a little bit of damage, but what's really interesting to me is that it's got a composition face. It's $12 and 20%. I put my basket right here because I'm gonna go through this whole thing before I start picking things up, because I just looked up for the first time and realized there was a lot of stuff I was interested in. Like also this little chenille bear, that is so stinking cute. And this one's pretty interesting. $6, that's so cheap. Love the little chenille. Also the little box of pipe cleaner figures, 15, so 12 for the whole box. This is very interesting too. German, definitely very neat. $30 and 20% off. That's incredibly fair. I've never seen a complete set like that, especially in the original box. These ducks, they do look German. Set of 4. I'm not sure if they are. They look, maybe. Very cute. All right, well, also the little Boy Scout cake topper. I don't see a price tag on him. Oh my gosh, look at this little toothpick holder. The deer with the mushrooms, we have to get that. That is fantastic. It's bone china too. I've never seen this version. I'm gonna get it, don't worry. I'm just doing a look around. I love the little paper dolls. Oh my gosh, they have such sweet faces. I don't wanna neglect the baskets. Whoop, that creepy thing. I don't see anything in there. Let me put this back. Now, they do have a lot of really great pose dolls. They are the ones made in Korea. I really like this one because she's got that neon pink and is in great condition. But again, it takes a really unique, this one looks like Japan, actually. Korea, no, I'm wrong. Yeah, those are definitely Korea. The Korea ones, I'm pretty picky about just because I find them more common than the Japan ones. But you know what has my full-blown attention right now? This girl with the with the skis, excuse me, Japan skier with the rubber face, $11 and 20% off. There's no way I'm leaving this here. Now, this is gonna be kind of a shipping nightmare. I will have to price accordingly for how well and carefully I'm going to have to pack her, but she's incredibly unique. And I mean, with that rubber face too. Gosh, it's so fragile. I'm like nervous even. Let's start a little pile here. Got the skier. Ah! And of course, the bone china deer. Now, I do really like this American bisque planter. Gosh, it's so heavy. $14 and 20% off is a super fair price, but not for me today. This is so stinking cute. I kind of love that. All right, let's see what we got so far. Let me get this poodle too. All right, so this whole pile comes to $37, $38. I can't leave this horse here for $4 and some change. That's too weird for me. And then of course the little skier girl comes to $9 and some change. That's a definite. This is a must too, especially with the mushrooms. It's like 3 really good selling things in one. It's the mushrooms, the bone china deer, and the bone china Japan. Now this Dream Pets, especially because of the eyes and the little collar, I can't resist. It is $10.40 after the discount, but again, too unique to pass up. All right, I guess we gotta investigate this. Someone's gonna get upset if I leave this here, I already know, but let me test it out and see how it works. So it does work, but I looked it up on eBay and there's one already listed for $29. So I didn't even bother going into sold. I'm gonna put that back. Now where this is very cute, I'm not sure if I really want to spend $8 on it. I think it's very cute, but like I said, it's the first stop of the day, so I'm gonna put it back for now. It doesn't have much resale value, that's the thing. And I do really like the granny lady with the dog. Of course, the little post doll is cute, but again, those don't sell that great for me, the Korea ones, and Roy Des doesn't sell at all. Now, the gun rooster, I've actually had multiple times. I have a variation of it in my shop now. It's been sitting for quite some time. This Dream Pets is very cute too, but that one's my favorite because of its unique eyes. So I'm gonna keep going here. Although, I will say, I am having a hard time walking away from him. He's $9.60. I don't think I can leave him here. He's got to come with us. But now, of course, I'm second guessing because when I put him in my basket, I saw that he's got some significant damage. I still think I could make money off of him just because he's so unique, but I'm on the fence about it. I'm going to do this next aisle and come back. So there might not be Valentine's Day thus far, but oh my gosh, is there St. Patrick's Day, which isn't my favorite, honestly, but it does sell pretty well. How much is this? $12. Is there a discount too? 20%. That's crazy. These sell really well, but people, I see people have them all the time. I'm on the fence about it. I just think I am gonna do what I want to do and skip them, even though if it was another day I would definitely grab them, but I've had them a few times and people have them online all the time. I'm just trying to go super unique. All right, I'm trying to leave, but I have such a hard time being this frugal. There's a couple other things I'm still looking at, even though I should really just let it go. These are great. I love that. Oh, this is so hard to let go of. Even that. But surprisingly, the thing that's bothering me the most is this box of picks and that elf. But with that damage, I just don't know if I can justify that. I'm gonna do it, leave that, even though it's hard to. It's just a little bit more than I'd like to with that damage. It's cracked on both sides, so. But this, for some reason, I just can't let it go. Maybe it's because the last time I was here down the street, I bought a bunch of chenille picks and they all went incredibly fast. For $12 for the box, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab them. No Valentine's Day, but I did find some incredibly unique items. Like I said, today I'm going for the uber unique or Valentine's Day only. I spent $42 in there, which is maybe a little bit more than I anticipated, but people are like, oh my God, are you serious? $42 for all that? Be quiet. And now I'm gonna go down the street to my favorite place. Yes, the Crazy Doodad place.